I'd like to start this video off by saying something that I should have said a long time ago and I haven't. I want to take my hat off to all military members and say thank you for your sacrifice and all you do. Today I'm going to attempt to turn this epoxy twig bowl, or whatever you want to call it. I don't have very much luck with epoxy, I always have problems, but this epoxy did pour well, and no bubbles, no cracks. I used 30 ounces of epoxy, and yeah, I'm going to see how it works out, and let's get to it. Well, I made it to the end without any mishaps. I'm pretty happy with the outcome of this epoxy twig bowl, again, whatever you want to call it. And also, before I forget, I'd like to give a shout out to Willis. Hey, thanks for everything you do, brother. You're a good man. I appreciate you. Other than that, I'm happy with the bowl. I hope all y'all enjoyed the video. And as always, thanks for watching.